Hello, everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, Cognizant exam is ongoing, and I am seeing a lot of things which is happening. So that is the reason I am making a video today, how to cheat in Cognizant online examination. I will explain you one by one why it is required, because other students know they will get selected and you will still start using your brain to solve the questions in the examination, which is not required at all. Okay, now, so many of you will come and tell, sir, we did not expect this video from you. Yes, even I did not wanted to make this video for anyone, but the reason is when I saw a lot of comments that I used ChatGPT to solve the questions, I cracked this round, I cracked that round. Then I'm thinking, why for this exam the people who are really putting effort is not getting selected, and why they should sit and solve. Correct? Okay. So now let us understand the points, friends, one by one. So this video was definitely not expected, but the time sometimes the time demands and we need to do it. See, most of them are cheating. I will not say everyone, but most of them are doing it because these exams are online, right? So you are sitting at home and then writing the exam. Yesterday I made a video also, right? And the hiring is still active. Okay, fine. So when the exams is happening online, then you go ahead and do whatever is possible. Okay, now, so friends, what is the tool which is most or mostly getting used? I will tell you one more thing. On telegrams, no, basically students are paying 500 or 600 rupees for the exam help. Now, who is helping in the exam? Have you ever thought who is helping in the exam? See, these are the people who are not able to clear any exam, and now they are earning by helping you all. If they would have already, see, if I am working in some company, right, I cracked the exam, why will I go and help people? Where will I get time? I need to go for work, right? Okay, so these are the people who does not know what exactly is the question and how to solve. What they are doing, they are putting it on chat gpt, and the same answer they are giving it to you. I will show you one sample example now. From here, friends, you see this particular question. So very simple question I am taking. Okay, and let's go to chat gpt and give the input here. So solve, right? And see, chat gpt will give you the answer. See, I'm not telling 100% correct answer you will get, but you tell me, if you are solving by yourself, you are not even able to solve 50% correctly. See, committee is a collective noun, so here the committee agrees to the proposed changes. Okay, now you go here, and if you'll see your question, what was the question? The committee agree or agree. So the correct answer is agrees, which chat gpt is giving you. See, chat gpt will give you only 90% correct answer, but if we solve by it by ourselves, 50% also it is correct or not, we do not know. And see, we are sitting and solving the question, putting so much stress on our brain. Okay, now, sir, how we will be using chat gpt in the exam? Keep two laptop, keep two mobile, open chat gpt. Whatever is the possible way you do, you take a you take a screenshot, you take a image like this, you take one image, okay, and then open chat gpt, upload it, upload on it. So do whatever you want. Okay, practice. Instead of practicing question, you practice how you will be able to do well when you will be using chat gpt in the exam, right? Okay, friends, see, one thing is, don't pay money to anyone. As I explained, all this are the people, they are just looting money from you on the name of 500, 600, or 100, 200 rupees. Nothing like that is there. If, see, it's very simple example. Tomorrow if you get selected in Cognizant, Monday to Friday you will be in office, or you will sit and help other students? No. See, there is no use of being honest sometimes. See, the exams like TCS and all, where it is happening on the center, you be honest. But here, if you are being honest, then you are one who is going to get rejected. Very clear, damn clear. There is no doubt at all. You do not have to look at any other aspect. So if you are being honest, then you have to be very much talented. If you are average and being honest, then you are not going to get into any exam which is happening online. Okay, see, they will say the tool is there which will, which will proctor, okay, if you do any malpractices, you will be, are bhai, your tool is so vast, that it is not even able to, students are utilizing it multiple ways, but none of the tools, see this AI and these tools, no, it is never be going to be that effective. Okay, the only option is conduct the exam at center. Okay, see, I could see many students telling that they did cheating and clear the exam. They are, you know, now into the companies that I have seen, and that is the only reason. See, this kind of videos I will bring so that I don't want the students who is really putting effort, they should not suffer. And I know nobody can be more right. So talent, see, chat gpt will give you 90% of the correct answer, there is no doubt, and we cannot be that efficient. This is the difference between machine and us. Okay, a aptitude question which takes around 1 minute, see, because I know many people will tell, no, no, sir, we are faster than machines. See, chat gpt will give you aptitude question answer in 20 to 30 seconds, which we might take a lot of time to solve it. That is a fact. Okay, so friends, please don't take it in the wrong way, because I don't want the people who are putting effort to get rejected by the companies. Okay, so you also try, you also do, there are multiple ways to do it. I cannot come and tell here, okay, so you do like this, you do like that, but chat gpt is one of the trusted tool. Even you can use gemini. Okay, so if you want, you use gemini, there is no problem. But see, every tool will give you some wrong answer, so that you have to accept. See, you ask yourself, no, अरे भैया खुद से करोगे तो 50% भी करेक्ट नहीं होगा. So please utilize this kind of opportunity. Don't be behind, okay, and don't pay any money, I'm telling you, to anyone for helping you in the examination. Okay, so keep it very clear. And if the online exams are there, please go ahead, but for communication round and all, please don't give your input to the chat gpt. I know there are many people who will go and tell, see, the read the following sentences, they will put on chat gpt, please read. Are by chat gpt, how it will read? Chat gpt will read, it will not be loud. This you have to only do it. Okay, so the children played outside until dusk, so here reading and this thing, this you have to do. So chat gpt also you have to read smartly. Now you go, don't give the input. Okay, so take one screenshot from here and then go and give it to chat gpt. Bhaiya, read please read loud, please read loud. Okay, so they wanted you to read in this kind of question. So even if you're using tool to do certain kind of cheating, you have to be very, very careful. Right? So here is a sentence, read out loud clearly. Okay, so read it smoothly with a slight pause. So definitely they will not be reading behalf of you. So whatever they can do behalf of you, that only you get it done, right? Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope this will open up mind of some people who are really wasting their time just by solving by themselves, when there is a tool which is available for you to use. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best. And sorry if you felt bad because of this video. My intention is very clear, that I don't want the people to suffer who are actually putting effort, and the videos are for them. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best. See you soon.